Healthcare compliance firms versus healthcare law teams. Which one is better for hospitals and pharma companies? Most healthcare executives get this wrong. They assume legal teams alone can manage all regulatory and operational risks. The surprising truth is that compliance firms and healthcare law teams serve different but complementary purposes. Healthcare compliance firms focus on operational adherence to laws, regulations, and industry standards. They implement monitoring programs, conduct audits, and train staff on HIPAA, FDA, or other regulatory requirements. For example, a pharmaceutical company launching a new drug can rely on compliance specialists to ensure clinical trials, labeling, and marketing practices meet regulatory standards, minimizing the risk of fines or recalls. Healthcare law teams provide legal advice, representation, and contract management. They handle disputes, regulatory investigations, and litigation. In a hospital setting, legal teams advise on patient privacy breaches, malpractice claims, or supplier contracts, ensuring the organization is legally protected. The optimal strategy is a coordinated approach. Compliance firms maintain daily adherence and risk prevention, while healthcare law teams handle legal challenges and strategic guidance. This synergy ensures both operational integrity and legal protection. The key takeaway is that in highly regulated sectors, risk management isn't just about law, it's about ongoing compliance and staff training. The surprising truth is that hospitals and pharma companies relying solely on legal teams risk operational gaps, while combining compliance and legal expertise creates a robust framework for safety, efficiency, and regulatory confidence.